Hello gurus and welcome to another episode. Bitcoin dropped down drastically yesterday. I was short, my short closed, hitting the take profit target, which is beautiful. It's not looking so good at the moment. We're getting a little bit of a bounce, but not a convincing one. And I think this is very dangerous for Bitcoin. I've been talking about this for a while, this big bear flag that's playing out. I have orders now set at 29K. We're going to jump onto the technicals, see if we're going to actually get that low and where I think Bitcoin is going to go and where I would open the trades. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, join 70,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. And we're going to jump into technicals for Bitcoin. I'm going to look at Ethereum. I'm going to look at altcoins. I'm going to show you what I think is going to be happening to the market. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. So we're going to the technicals for Bitcoin. And we had this big drop off on Bitcoin right now, and this is the bear flag. So this is on the daily candles, and you can clearly see this bear flag that I'm talking about. You've got this giant pole and you've got this flag forming, and it got rejected here off the top of this flag at the top of this channel and came down exactly. Look at this. These trend lines, if you've been following my videos, have been there for a few days, and look how it exactly played out in these trend lines. Bitcoin is holding right on that trend line, exactly on it. We got rejected perfectly off this trend line and holding exactly here on this major support at 39,000 at 40,000. It's holding there. Volume slightly coming in. Stochastic and RSI and Stochastic trying to head up. Money flow is still flowing out of Bitcoin. MACD, it doesn't on the daily, so a lot of people started going bullish, but on the MACD this doesn't look so good. It's still, the moving averages are still up here heading down, and the stochastic hasn't finalized. It hasn't turned white. You can see the end of the movement, for example, here when it turns white, and we haven't turned white yet on the daily, so it could be more to drop, and I think we've got more to drop. On the 4 hourly, it's trying to hold, it's trying to bounce. MACD is trying to turn. Stochastic is trying to go to the white. We got a bit of volume, but I'm not convinced. It should have been a stronger bounce. There's going to be a lot of panic. Money flow is starting to flow in. Stochastic is still oversold, but again turning down, and the recovery bounce wasn't strong enough, so it's holding here, and this is a major support. Exactly, we're sitting at the 40k, but I think it's not going to hold. And the next, and that's bad because this is a big bear flag that will play out. The next major support, we've got a few of them. We've got one here at 37,000. That's a big one, and then we've got one down here at the 34,000, and that's where I expect a huge bounce. If it doesn't hold there and this bear flag plays out, my god, it's going to get bad. 29k is where I would go massive long. EMA ribbons have turned to head down strongly. It's just not looking so good for Bitcoin. If I was just to look, like zoom out and just look exactly on the charts what I'm thinking, we have a lot of support here. Here, this area down here is the major area of support, 36,900. So there is a place to go long, and the next, if that doesn't hold, here is another major area, so 34 and 37, but both areas where I would expect Bitcoin to bounce. We also have this giant bear flag that I'm very worried about, and a lot of people are bullish because they're like, oh, Bitcoin was a few $1,000s 2 years ago and now it's 40,000. It's going to, but 29k is where the major support is. That's 28,900 is where a lot of support is. So these are the areas of support. Do I think it's going to 29k? There is a lot of volume, but yes, I kind of do think it's going to 29k. But again, huge bounces on 34, 37k, so you can make trades off these bounces. I think this holding where we're sitting right now, it got a bounce. That was a nice place to open a trade, but I think it's going to fail. On the 4 hourly, we're still trying. The MAC is trying to turn up. Stochastic is still heading down. I teach you all of this in the crypto course in the link down below. On the hourly, we are heading up, but stochastic is almost overbought. Money flow is starting to flow in on the hourly. MACD is trying to turn up, so we've got some bullishness on the hourly, but the bounce should have been stronger. It was a weak bounce from 39,200 to 40,200, only a $1,000 bounce after such a massive drop. It's not a good sign. If I'm going to show you my trades that I have set. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, all the links are down below, everyone. You can go down below and you can see all these links. Join me on Twitter. I post a lot of stuff on Twitter. Join in our Discord. There's 6,000 students. All the links are down there on the Discord, the Telegram chat, all the links down below. Follow on me on Instagram, etc. So down here underneath the video, smash up this thumbs up button. Let's get thousands of likes on your phone. This thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Join now 71,000 people. Click the join button to see my live trades in stocks, cryptos, altcoins, and down below Bitcoin trading on Bybit. This is where I do most of my trading. This link, if you use this link down below, you get a sign sign up bonus now of 4,600 USD when you sign up to Bybit and start trading. And then all the links down below, the Telegram, you can trade on Femex, you get that bonus on Binance, NordVPN if you have restrictions, Crypto Master course where you learn everything with my 6,000 plus students, Twitter, Instagram, all these links are down below, join everything. So on my trading account in here, I actually didn't lose. What's amazing is most people got wrecked yesterday on altcoins, on Bitcoin. I actually sold before the drop if you followed my video, so I didn't lose any money in my trading account, which is beautiful. We actually made money. I was short on Bitcoin on that drop. That's why you need to follow this channel. I have 20 years of experience. In this account, I have 200,000 US dollars, 200,422 US dollars. It's all almost USD, 184,000. It's all USD actually. There's some small altcoins in this, so it's all 200,000 in USD. I've got orders open, many longs. I've got a 1 Bitcoin order, I've got a 1.2 Bitcoin order, I've got a 1.5 Bitcoin order, a 2 Bitcoin order, 2 Bitcoin order, 2.4 Bitcoin order, all sitting at 28,774. If Bitcoin goes down that low, I expect a mega bounce, and that's why I've got these massive orders. There's around 10 or 12 Bitcoin sitting here of orders, worth of orders on leverage. So I'm ready to buy the dip on Bitcoin if it pulls back. What I would do actually now for a short-term trade is I would short this bounce on the hourly and on the 4-hourly. Let's see the stochastic. I would actually be going short here on Bitcoin on a short-term trade, but 29K is where I want to buy up everything. But I would actually short Bitcoin's bounce here, so I'd be going short. I'd open a short where we're sitting right now, a tight stop loss just underneath this support and resistance lines here, just above it, and the take profit down here. So I'd be going short Bitcoin to 37,000, risking $700 to make $2,000, almost $3,000, which is a beautiful trade. Risking $700 to make $3,000 unleveraged, 10x leverage, $30,000. This is the trade I would take. So I'm going short on Bitcoin with the target of 37,000 and the stop loss of 40,700. So I'll open a small short here on Bitcoin, going short. Let's do a $500 short on Bitcoin at the current market order. $500. Oh, let's do $1,000 short because I have a tight stop loss. Open short, confirm that trade is already set. The other orders are pending for the buyers on 29K. The stop loss is going to be at 40,700 and the take profit at 37,000. So I'm risking $154 to make $736, which is beautiful. That short is already set, slightly in the profits, $2.50. That's my trades on Bitcoin, which is beautiful. I got to go, so thank you for watching. I'm short Bitcoin. I'm mostly in US dollars, and now I'm going to see what Bitcoin does here, but I'm short on Bitcoin for the short term. I'll do altcoins in the next video on Ethereum and altcoins. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.